Reliving the SNES era with Snes9x and have FRZ save state files to load. This format captures exact emulator state for instant resuming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Snes9x save state files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening FRZ files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. FRZ files are saved state files created by Snes9x, a popular Super Nintendo Entertainment System emulator. They capture the complete emulator state, including CPU registers, RAM contents, PPU state, and audio state, at the moment of saving, enabling players to resume gameplay from any point during a SNES game session. FRZ save state files use a Snes9x defined binary format, storing serialized emulator state with version markers indicating the Snes9x version that created the file. The format is specific to Snes9x and may not load in significantly different emulator versions due to internal state representation changes between releases. SNES9x, developed by Snes9x team, is often used as the source validator for FRZ. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot display in-game assets or logic, so dedicated extraction tools are necessary. To force the file open, right-click your FRZ file and select Open With. If Snes9x is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When a FRZ file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, loading in Snes9x. Launch Snes9x and load the SNES ROM associated with the FRZ save state. Use File then Load Game State or the keyboard shortcut, typically F4 with a slot number. Browse to the FRZ file and load it. Snes9x restores the emulator state, resuming gameplay from the save point. Next, verifying Snes9x version. Confirm your Snes9x version matches or is compatible with the version that created the FRZ file. Major version differences can prevent loading. Check Snes9x release notes for save state compatibility or install the matching version temporarily to load the state, then save in your preferred current version. Finally, converting save states. Some emulator save state converters translate FRZ files between Snes9x versions or to other SNES emulator save formats. Check the Snes9x community forums for conversion utilities. Battery save SRM files for in-game saves are more portable than save states for cross-emulator compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step. A powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.